Hi guys, I'm Prerna. I have been asked to talk about art, and I'm not very sure because it is very subjective for me, and there is art everywhere. It is more like a lifestyle for me. It kind of is a package with me wherever I go. So wherever I go, I start doing up things and start making things and just start decorating the corner. Even in a hotel room, if I'm staying for very long, I will have something thrown off, this and that. So that pretty much is a lifestyle for me. Then, so I don't make an art piece every day, like most of you and many of you would be doing that. You will be continuously painting things. I don't do that. I do it whenever I feel like, but it is kind of a very strong part of my life since childhood. My mother was into literature and writing things and making things, and then knitting, and even now she just knits now. Maybe she writes, but she doesn't show it to us. But I know she does write. So either way, and my dad was into a bit of photography. We had one of the finest cameras back in the days, and he was into like capturing me 1 month old, 2 month old, that kind of photography, and then nature and this that. He traveled all India and has his own collection of pictures back from 70s. So it kind of is inherited for me. uh, I started my career with a company called Maersk Line. It is into shipping. My career, I have done my masters and bachelor's from Delhi University, from Lady Urban College. And before that, I have done my schooling from all over Uttarakhand. My dad was into a transferable job every 2 years, so we moved a lot. So I kind of saw a lot of things, till my school and college, and then finally I got into corporate, and corporate was something which was keeping me occupied, giving me enough money. And my last job was AVP with IVCA, which is into venture capital, which gave me a full-fledged knowledge of the market. So art is fine, but now you need to sell that art to, get money out of it or get your bread and butter. So what I do right now is I kind of promote all kind of artists, not in a very corporate way like people are doing, but I give them space and place to do things, create art, and then convert it into something which is sellable. Like something you draw on a canvas may not sell immediately, but if you put that canvas art on a fabric and start producing apparels for that. So I try to help them sell their art to people who are into textile industry, or all that of a thing. I don't sell my own art. I just keep it for myself because I know I'll not be able to make it again. I'm too kind of a very lazy artist. So art is more or less like a lifestyle. And I just keep saying that, and I'll keep on saying that to everybody, even the artists who are into any kind of industry. If you will not put art in a certain way, if you will not market you in a certain way, you will not be able to make money out of it. If you are looking at that, if you are just making art like me, that you don't want to do anything with that, you don't it is just for your personal satisfaction. Like for me, it is more like creative satisfaction when I help my friends. And there are few people probably in the group itself whom art has been converted into something and have been sold, and I'm still working with some, and things like that. So for me, I think in the end, I would say my sister. So my sister also has this. I want to say this because it gives a whole picture. My sister is into illustration and art making. She's also part of this group. She has put her work at Vancha Mehta. So it is more or less, she's working with an IT firm, Infosys. But she has made sure that she has her own time and things to do this, to just kind of keep this in practice and not just let it go. So we kind of keep that art alive in us and just move forward. So 2014, when my dog passed away, I roamed around for around 2 years with an agenda that I have to do something out of this, whatever I'm doing. I put in my savings and I spent a lot of money while traveling all over India. I have completed 20 26 or 20, I think almost all the states apart from Arunachal. I have not driven a lot, but I have touched Arunachal, the Zero Valley Festival. I have a brand which I launched in 2016, which is called Gypsy J, and we sell all kind of handmade artwork. It can be a jewelry piece like the one I'm wearing. It can be a headband made out of a scarf. It can be a painting. It can be a rug. It can be anything, as long as it is handmade. I sell it. So initially, I was procuring things and I was selling them. Gradually, I have built up a whole community of few artists from where now we convert the art into certain things and we sell it off. I'm in Goa right now, and I moved here in 2018, and I was coming in and out till this January. January I came here like full fledged with all my stuff, but for a store to open. But because of the situation right now, I'm not sure. Still, I have taken a place around, and I may be doing something very soon if the things pick up. Otherwise, I'll be just sitting here and selling my things online, if at all, because art is not something in anybody's basic necessity list. So that's it. That's what I have been doing. So anybody who wants to get in touch for any kind of consulting related to the product, or maybe the product into conversion of something else which can be sold, I'm more than welcome. I can talk to you and I can help you out on your own. I don't charge for that, of course, and I'll tell you whatever I know. So I'm there. Neha is a good friend, and I would like to help everybody grow. That is how we grow, right? So, thank you so much for listening to all this.